Hello friends, welcome to Infonet coaching classes. Today we are going to discuss chapter 5 industries. So let's see. Fill in the blanks. Industries are part of the DEX sector. Answer is secondary. Next question. The three types of industries based on scales are DEX, and DEX. Answer is cottage industries, small scale industries and large scale industries. Next question. On the basis raw materials used in industries can be classified into DEX, and DEX. Answer is agro based industries, forest based industries, mineral based industries. Next question. Ethanol is produced from DEX. Answer is molasses. Next question. DEX and DEX are world leaders in the automobile industry. Answer is China, USA, Japan, Germany, India and South Korea. Next question. Mark the following as true or false. Correct the false statements that are false. Correct the sentences that are false. Pottery, weaving and handicrafts are example of large scale industries. Answer is false. Correct statement is pottery, weaving and handicrafts are examples of cottage industries. Next question. The Indo-Gangetic Plain in India. Gangetic Plain in India is completely unsuitable for industries. Answer is false. Correct statement is the Indo-Gangetic Plains in India is completely suitable for industries. Next question. Sugar is mainly used to manufacture medicines. Answer is true. Next question. Aquaculture is the cultivation of fish in rivers. Answer is false. Correct statement is aquaculture is the cultivation of fish under controlled conditions. Next question. The emission of excessive greenhouse gases by industries accelerates global warming. Answer is true. Next question. Multiple choice question. Timber, paper, rubber and furniture are some products of option A, agro-based industries, option B, forest-based industries, option C, marine-based industries, option D, mineral-based industries. Answer is forest-based industries. Answer. Next question. The global leader in the iron and steel industry is. Options are India, Australia, China, Japan. Answer is China. Next question. This textile is synthetic. Option A jute, option B rayon, option C cotton, option D wool. Answer is option B rayon. Next question. The eastern cluster of automobile industry in India consists of Patna and Jharkhand, Tezpur and Digboi, Kolkata and Jamshedpur, Zero and Bomdila. Answer is Kolkata and Jamshedpur. Next question. Give reasons for the following. Agriculture is part of the primary sector. Answer is the primary sector is engaged in the extraction of raw materials from natural sources. Hence, agriculture is a part of the primary sector. Next question. Industries are generally located near sources of raw materials. Answer is because it reduces the cost and difficulties of transportation, and also reduces the losses due to spoilage. Next question. Industries that produce perishable goods are situated near markets. Answer is because it saves transportation cost and storage costs. Next question. The iron and steel industry is a fundamental industry. Answer is because its products from the raw material for several other industries. Next question. Reforestation and intensive tree plantation drives must be conducted around industrial areas. Answer is because it will increase forest cover. Next question. Answer in brief. Define industry. Answer is industry refers to all activities and organizations involved in the processing of raw materials into finished products. Next question. Give two examples of small scale industry. Answer is furniture and electronics goods industries are the example of small scale industries. Next question. What are mineral based industries? Give two examples. Answer is mineral based industries rely on minerals as raw materials. The iron and steel and cement industries are mineral based industries. Next question. Name three leading producers of iron and steel in Asia. Answer is China, Japan and India are the three leading producers of iron and steel in Asia. Next question. What are the main centers of textile production in India? Answer is the main centers of textile production in India are Coimbatore, Kanpur, Puducherry, Panipat, Ahmedabad and Chennai and Kolkata are the main textile production in India. What are the main activities of the shipbuilding industry? Answer is the shipbuilding industries deal with the construction and maintenance of ship and other marine vessels used for transportation and leisure. Next question. Define overfishing. What are its effects? Answer is overfishing refers to the catching of excessive fish. Overfishing endangers certain species of fish by reducing their quantity in the ocean. It also damages the marine ecosystem. Next question. Define industrial pollution. Suggest one method to curb it. Answer is industrial pollution is the combination of the environment by factorize contamination of environment by factorize that discharge. Industrial pollution is the contamination of environment by factorize the factories that discharge untreated waste onto land, air, and water. Industries must use better methods of waste management. Effluents and other waste from industries should be treated before released into the environment. Next question. Answer in detail. What is the importance of industries? Answer is, industries are important to us in many ways. Economic progress. The economic strength of a country is closely linked to its industrial development. Core industries like iron and steel help make the economy of a country strong. Economic development. Large-scale production of goods results in large-scale returns. Development of industries thus creates an environment for local and well as national economic to flourish. Satisfaction of human wants. By producing a variety of goods, industries help satisfy a wide range of human wants. Industries also help bring innovative new products to the market. Employment. Industries create various opportunities for employment. By training the workers, they also enable the development of specialized skills in the workforce. Income. Industries provide a reliable source of income for many households. They also generate income for the country by facilitating international trade. Optimum resource unutilization. Industries facilitate the optimum resource utilization. Industries facilitate the use of natural resources to their full potential. Many different products can be manufactured from one resource. Next question. Differentiate between cottage industry, small scale industry, and large scale industry. Answer is, cottage industry. These are mainly home based industries where goods are produced using simple tools rather than complex machinery. These are usually labor intensive, with most of the labor being provided by members of the family or people of the neighborhood. Many of these industries are engaged in traditional handicrafts like pottery, weaving, carpentry, and sculpture. Small scale industry. These are those industries that use a limited amount of capital, more than that of cottage industry, but less than large scale industry. A small number of hired workers and some machinery. This industry manufacture a wide range of products such as garments, produced food tools, processed food tools, furniture, and electronic goods. Large scale industries. These are characterized by huge capital investments, heavy mechanization, and modern technology. The workforce is huge and production is on a very large scale. Raw materials and end products are often transported across large distances, including overseas. Large-scale industries also require specially trained people to manage the production activities. Next question. What are the factors that influence the location of industries? Discuss. Answer is: several factors play a role in determining the location of industries. Proximity to raw materials, availability of labor, proximity to market, efficient system of transportation, availability of power and water, government aid, availability of capital. Next question. Write a brief note on the cotton textile industry. Answer is: historically, cotton textiles have the most demand among textiles worldwide. In India, the production and trade of cotton textiles have taken place since ancient times. Production was initially done by hand and then simple tools and machines. Next question. What are the main uses of sugar? Name 3 of the leading producers of sugar in the world. Answer is: sugar is mainly used as a sweetener and is a key ingredient in the food processing industry. It is also used in the manufacture of medicines. The leading producers of sugar in the world are Brazil, India, and China. Next question. What are the main causes of industrial pollution? What are its effects? Answer is: the main cause of industrial pollution are the dumping of industrial waste into landfills and water bodies, cause harmful substances to seep into land and water. Deforestation and overexploitation of natural resources for the sake of industrialization pollutes air, water, and land. The use of outdated technology results in an inefficient use of resource. Unlike modern technology, outdated technology generates large amount of waste and produces harmful emissions. Effects of pollution. The excessive smoke and fumes produced from factories and automobiles have harmful effect on plants, animals, and human beings. They contaminate the atmosphere by increasing the levels of carbon monoxide and carbon dioxide. They cause respiratory disease and also cause global warming in the atmosphere. Land pollution is caused by the waste generated from industries like paper mills, oil refineries, tanneries, and fertilizers units. Garbage produced by household and disposed randomly also pollutes land. Many chemicals used in industries change the color and odor of natural waste bodies and water bodies and make them toxic Rivers, seas, and lakes are used as dumping grounds for human sewage and harmful industrial wastes. Oil spills into the sea from tankers or offshore rigs and also cause water pollution. Next question. Vital wars. All activities and organizations involved in the processing of raw materials into finished products. Answer is industry. Next question. That part of an economy that deals with the manufacture of finished products. Answer is secondary sector. Next question. Industrial activity that is mainly home based and done with simple tools. Answer is cottage. Next question. A form of work which requires a large number of workers putting in several hours to make a product. Answer is labor intensive. Next question. The cultivation of fish under controlled conditions. Answer is aquaculture. Next question. A renewable clean energy fuel made from plant materials such as corn, sugarcane, and grasses. Answer is ethanol. Next question. Contamination of the environment due to industrial activity. Answer is industrial pollution. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.